Welcome to tutorial info. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the control scheme in the mini world Creata game. To change the control scheme, you want to tap on the settings icon, then go into settings, here into control, and you can change between classic mode or joystick mode, as well as you can try inverting the y-axis, which will make it so when you're looking around and you use your fingers to drag up and down, it will just invert what happens then. You can also increase sensitivity, decrease it if you don't like to. You can turn off auto jump if you don't like it, or turn it on. You can turn on the crosshair or turn it off again. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.